What's going on, everybody? It's Oskin with Don here. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending where you are in the world. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, run them likes up, and drop a comment below based on what your thoughts are about my content. Today, what we're going to cover is what scientists are calling a mysterious cosmic ray that came from beyond our galaxy. So, right away, I have a lot of questions, and I'm going to see if this article that I have provides any of these questions that I have about how do we know it came from beyond our galaxy? Well, let's take a look now. I'm going to share my screen with y'all. And here we go. All right, so it says from CNN, being the source that I'm using for today's video. The title of this article is Mysterious Cosmic Ray Observed in Utah Came from Beyond Our Galaxy, Scientists Say. Now, this was Thursday, November 23rd, 2023. So, let's see, is this an actual picture or just a depiction? Okay, so this picture right here is just an illustration of the extremely energetic cosmic ray observed by the telescope array collaboration led by the University of Utah and the University of Tokyo. It's been named the Amaterasu particle. Okay, so we're talking about particles here, some type of cosmic energy. So CNN goes on to say space scientists seeking to understand the enigmatic origins of powerful cosmic rays have detected an extremely rare, ultra high energy particle that they believe traveled to Earth from beyond the Milky Way galaxy. The energy of this subatomic particle, invisible to the naked eye, is equivalent to dropping a brick on your toe from waist high, according to the authors of new research published Thursday in the journal Science. It rivals the single most energetic cosmic ray ever observed, the quote-unquote "oh my God" particle that was detected in 1991, the study found. Now it goes on to tell what cosmic rays. So cosmic rays are charged particles that travel through space and rain down on Earth constantly. Low energy cosmic rays can emanate from the sun, but extremely high energy ones are exceptional. They are thought to travel to Earth from other galaxies and extragalactic sources. If you hold out your hand, one cosmic ray goes through the palm of your hand every second. But those are really low energy things, said study co-author John Matthews, a research professor at the University of Utah. When you get out to these really high energy cosmic rays, it's more like 1 per square kilometer per century. It's never going through your hand. They say, despite the years of research, the exact origins of these high energy particles still aren't clear. So, like I said, how would they know if it came from our galaxy or not? Our galaxy could be even bigger than we actually know. They said they are thought to be related to the most energetic phenomena in the universe, such as those involving black holes, gamma ray bursts, and active galactic nuclei. But the biggest discovered so far appear to originate from voids or empty space where no violent celestial events have taken place. And goes on to tell you how they track high energy cosmic rays. It says recent discovered particle nicknamed Amaterasu. I'm probably butchering that particle after the sun goddess in Japanese mythology was spotted by a cosmic ray observatory in Utah's West Desert known as a telescope array. The telescope array, which started operating in 2008, is made up of 507 ping pong table-sized surface detectors covering 700 square kilometers, or 270 square miles. It has observed more than 30 ultra-high energy cosmic rays, but none bigger than the Amaterasu particle, which struck the atmosphere above Utah on May 27, 2021, raining secondary particles to the ground where they were picked up by the detectors, according to the study. You can look at how many particles hit each detector that tells you what the energy of the primary cosmic ray was. The event triggered 23 of the surface detectors with a calculated energy of about 244 exact electrons. The oh my God particle detected more than 30 years ago was 320 exa electron volts. For reference, one exaelectron volt equals 1 billion giga electron volts, and 1 giga electron volt is 1 billion electron volts. That would make the Amaterasu particle. Wow, that's a huge number. I don't know what that number is. The 244 zillion, I'm guessing, electron volts. By comparison, the typical energy of an electron in the polar aurora is 40,000 electron volts, according to NASA. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on in the sky. Now I'm not sure exactly, like I said, where that comes from, but a lot of things are going to be changing on this planet, in this universe. Obviously last year around September, even up until this summer, there was like a lot of quote unquote UFO activity. And I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but they even talked about how the black hole is starting to eat up the Milky Way galaxy. So if that's true, then we might start seeing a lot of these quote unquote phenomenons coming in the sky. Now, like I said, we only know what we're told and what we actually do our research on to see if what they tell us even makes sense. Now, as far as what comes from our galaxy and what doesn't, I can only go based off of the tools that they provide us with to quote unquote detect that. But these tools could be skewed to provide information that they want us to know and not the real. But I'd like to know what y'all think. Interesting article to say the least. So yeah, drop them comments below, run them likes up, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Really helps the channel grow. Appreciate y'all. Peace and one love.